Modules are one of the most adaptable facets in TGS, and it's also one of the aspects that give us the most choice, but while still involving the whole community and still being teacher-led. So every term we get a choice of 3 modules that are each adapted in some way or another to the location that we're going to.
Here in Dubai, we have the ongoing World Expo. It is an exhibition of the past, present, and aspirations for the future, featuring 192 countries. With the 3 sub-themes of sustainability, mobility, and opportunity, this place inspires individuals and communities to shape, explore, and build a better future for everyone.
We have a driving question, which is kinda what we're trying to solve in module. So, for example, this module that we're having right now, Mo-Botics, is a module that is trying to solve the following question. How can I develop a robot based off the Expo 2020 Mobility District and use it to help solve a social issue?
Once we establish our driving question, the next part of the process is investigation. This primarily includes research about the given topics in the project. We first began by defining what is a robot and what is a social issue. A robot is defined as a machine that takes input from its surroundings, autonomously makes a choice, and acts upon it.
Social issue is a problem that affects many people in society, and they're usually structural, so they're hard to be solved since they're very complex.
My group and I decided to tackle the social issue of understaffed hospitals. Our concept would courier and deliver medicines to patients, allowing for more efficiency within the hospitals. This will be done by path following, facial recognition to identify patients, and obstacle avoidance. Our physical robot is just a simpler representation of our concept.
After the investigation, we move on to learning skills and techniques. This is where we learn how to use different tools and develop skills needed for the project. Over the course of this project, we learned how to program using Arduino, what the basics of computational thinking are, and how to design robots to solve a problem. We also practiced many soft skills like collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. We then move on to the create and refine stage of our project. This is where we develop and refine our final product. We had 3 main iterations leading to our final product. The first one was a machine that would only move forward. The second one was a robot that included an ultrasonic sensor for obstacle avoidance. And lastly, we developed a robot that followed a line using infrared sensors.
I was hoping a slaughter. That's pretty cool. It's running out of that. No.
At some point, our robot stopped functioning, and we didn't know why.
Why is the right one not turning on?
We then began troubleshooting, and we were able to restore some of its functions. However, we were still faced with many challenges and hurdles. Even though the robot didn't succeed in the way that we wanted to, our modules and projects are always focused on the process over the product.
Okay, wait.
We still learn so much on this amazing learning journey.
From my perspective, module is one of the most exciting aspects about TGS. It's always something that surprises you, always something where you learn from, and it's always something that I really like. And I chose this module because I feel like TGS is some place where I want to learn new things. I want to get out of my comfort zone, do stuff that I hadn't done before. And robotics has always been something appealing for me, but I have never really gotten into it that much. I'm really new into it, so I really wanted to learn, It's so exciting to be able to use robots, which are obviously the future of humanity, and to be able to use them to solve a social issue.